Welcome back to Tibbs Farm. I'm Tibbs, and I got my shoulder brace thing in. It kind of restricts me from moving about that far and about there, and kind of back. I kind of end up twisting my entire body. But everything below the elbow, I do have movement there, and I'm glad I work nights during winter because this thing keeps me nice and warm, and the sun's getting up. It's already 72 degrees. It was 47 last night. They were talking on the radio that the record for today here is 78, and there might be some areas in the radio range that might hit 80. It's December. Why? Whatever. Glad I work nights and I get to sleep through that hot part of the day. So yesterday I didn't actually put any green out for the goats. I did put extra hay. They ate down a decent amount of it. They still got plenty of hay. But I can show you what their pen looks like. The one nice thing of having a tree right here is get a little bit more of a bird's eye view. So here's what their pen looks like without any brush tossed in. Let me go on. Meander down the side, and so they're trampling. They're doing a pretty good job trampling down some of this dead grass, and turns out there's more dead branches in there than I thought. I don't know if you can make it out on here, but there's one that runs right there. So they're doing all right. All right. And where did I get their... Oh, you can't actually see. I don't even know where I got their food not yesterday, but the day before. It was somewhere down in this area, but everything down there is just a complete mess, so who knows? Yep. Alright, so I didn't get much greens. Gotta go too far away. Too much of a struggle. This kind of actually restricts some breathing. So that's why I've been just topping off their hay a little bit more, giving them a little bit more feed. Trying to go and make up for those calories lost that I'm not able to go and get them through what we have here on the land. Yeah, it's gonna come out in the wallet, but it's gonna come out of the wallet one way or another, whether we went US dollars or sweat dollars. And right now the sweat wallet it don't have the funds, so the US dollar is gonna have to go and step up a notch a little bit, a little more, since inflation's making the US dollar not as strong. So here's to a really strong US economy recovery and a strong US dollar, because that'll help get these goats eating for cheaper. get my dollar to stretch farther. So I'll show you what they got, and you can see it. Felix is enjoying himself. Like I said, Felix is enjoying himself. And Nibbler's nibbling. He's a little bit of a goofball. But, oh well. And that's what they've got. Plus their hay and their feed and a little extra supplements in their feed. It'll hold them over. Plus, if they really get an adventure is enough, there actually is grass down in here that they could eat if they wanted. Don't think these guys like grass at all. Well, I think that's about it. And as always, have a good day.